Okay, let's move on to speaking part 2. Describe a house or apartment that someone you know lives in. Lives, that means present tense. Please, you can start.
Um, Building a new house is nowadays building a dream house is an ambition of almost every person in this world. And today I would like to talk about one of my uncle friend who lives in an apartment, and this apartment is very beautiful. And this apartment is very beautiful, and this apartment is located on the post of the localities of the Chandigarh, which is in fact which is 1 kilometer away from
Carry on,
the,
carry
I think
on,
so
yes.
मैंने read किया ना,
That's okay,
why.
you're perfectly fine. Yeah, you're from Chandigarh, I'm from Amritsar.
Okay.
Please carry on. Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
In fact, this is 1
He's from
kilometer.
Ludhiana, I know that, okay? So don't worry. Please now carry on. Yeah, that's okay.
This is located on the post of the localities of the Chandigarh, and in fact, which is 1 kilometer away from the Sukhiana Lake.
Okay.
Sukhiana
Okay.
Lake. Sukhiana Lake, which is also
Quiet, please listen. Yeah,
हंसने का और मौका मिलेगा,
yeah, please
रुको।
carry on. Okay.
1 kilometer away of the Sukhiana Lake, and also a tourist, one of the most tourist attraction for the people, and resident from the city also walk there for their morning walk.
Okay, thank you so much, Gurpreet Kaur. Now we are going to move ahead from here, right? So overall, it's good. Just try to speak according to the local environment and local places. That will be fine, right? Don't worry. And speak confidently. It's gonna be good. And I found minor mistakes, so you can just overcome those. Yeah, you're using and quite a lot. So try to overcome that, okay? Now we've got speaking part 3. Do you prefer to live in the city or in the countryside?
I would like to prefer to live in a city rather
Yeah, I
than.
would like to live, or I would prefer to live.
I would prefer to live in a city rather than in a countryside, because there is many amenities and experience, and much more education system, much more to experience in a daily routine life as comparative to countryside.
Okay, in this answer there are several grammatical mistakes, so try to brush up your basic English grammar. 5 tenses that I mentioned, try to learn those, okay? Thank you so much.